Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello everybody and welcome back to another video with Mommy's DIYs. We continue with the series on how to tie-dye t-shirts, or you can pretty much tie-dye anything you want. Today we're going to be doing this t-shirt. It's called Ombre, and it starts dark in the bottom and then the colors start fading away, and I'm going to show you how I did that. Also, if you look at my two previous videos, you can see where I got the t-shirts. I got them through Print Gear. You do have to have a resale certificate in order to get this, but it's all wholesale. These are the, let me check here, the Ideal from Next Level. They are 60-40. 60-40, they're not 100% cotton. And if you want the 100% cotton, you can get the Hanes. I got these on a V-neck. They have them from extra small up to 2X. And then I just recently got another ones, and they are the same name brand, but they're the crew neck. Okay, so let me gather my items and let's start working. So for this video, I'm gonna be, you need to have gloves unless you don't mind having your hands colored for a few days until it comes off. I had that experience with the very first t-shirt I made. So you're gonna get a plate and you're gonna, here's my dye. And on the other two videos I did, I show which dye I was using, and eventually I'm gonna look for another one that is more commercial, and I will make sure that I do a video on that for you guys and get the links as to where I get the dye. So we're gonna put it on a bowl after it's been the powder has been diluted. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna choose how much of the t-shirt you want it. I mean, you don't have to be perfect, because that's the beauty of these t-shirts. Just kind of in your mind, have and feel like how much of the t-shirt you want it dark. Okay, so you're just gonna dip your brush into the paint and you're gonna start working it. I like to go ahead and make a line all across as to where I want it, and then work myself down. Then more or less where I want it. So we're just gonna cover the whole shirt on both sides. On both sides like that. Okay. So you finish one side first and then you turn it around and do the other side. Okay, so here's the result of it. So then you're just gonna put it a little bit aside and clean your area. Always keep a wet rag with you so that you can clean. Otherwise, sometimes the t-shirt absorbs the colors that is under. Okay, so here we go. I kind of splash a little here. I hope that's not a problem. Let me put some water so that it kind of fades away, because I wasn't paying attention and I kind of transfer paint from my gloves. So that's one thing that you need to be careful. Okay, so here is the first color. For the second tone, which is lighter, so what I do is I fade the color with water and kind of. Okay, so for the next color, I decided that I'm gonna go up about maybe right here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our color, and we're gonna be using a thing of water. Okay, you're gonna put about you're gonna put about maybe 6 ounces of water on another bowl. So basically what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be dipping your brush in the water and then in the paint and bring it to the t-shirt. And you're gonna start working your way however much you wanna do for the second tone, okay? I think I'm gonna do about right there. So let's go ahead and work on that and finish it and see you back. Okay, so here's the second color. Okay, and for the third color, you're gonna grab whatever is left and you're gonna pour it. Okay, and I'm gonna add maybe about 3 more ounces of water. Okay, you're gonna dilute it really nicely. And then you're gonna grab your shirt and the rest of it, you're gonna dip it into the rest of the water. Nice, make sure that everything gets gets the paint. Just a comment, you guys, I've been putting rhinestones in the sleeve and just to decorate my t-shirts, and then after that I'm selling them for $14.95. And if they want something sublimated or something with the quick cut added, that's extra. So that's how I've been promoting them. And if you guys, at the end of the video, I'm gonna write down how much is the profit, how much you invest, and that kind of thing, okay? So then I took up some of the water, and here it is. So all I really need to do is lay it down to dry. So you're gonna wait for 24. The label says 72 hours, but you don't really need to wait that long. If you wait at least 12 hours, and then you rinse it with hot water on a cycle, and then it's ready to go to put your rhinestones. And I'm gonna put a picture of how the ones with the rhinestones look above. And you guys, that's all for me. The other steps are very easy. You just you can also watch one of my other videos, but other than that, may the Lord bless you and keep you every day, and see you next time. Thank you.